Welcome to the top best. The best Char Broil Big Easy is probably one of the most versatile and convenient kitchen appliances you can add to your home, offering a healthier way to enjoy your favorite fried foods without the mess and danger of traditional deep frying. This innovative oil-less fryer uses radiant heat to cook everything from chicken and turkeys to vegetables and even desserts, delivering crispy exteriors and juicy interiors every time. Whether you're a seasoned home cook or just starting out, the Big Easy simplifies meal preparation and opens up a world of delicious possibilities, making it a must-have for any modern kitchen. Number 5. Charbroil the Big Easy Turkey Fryer Accessory Kit. Introducing the ultimate accessory kit for your Charbroil the Big Easy. Elevate your cooking experience with these essential tools. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need, from rib hooks and leg racks to skewers and a kebab holder. Prepare a feast with ease. Crafted from standard steel or wire steel, all accessories are built to last. Cleanup is a breeze as they are completely dishwasher safe. Maximize your cooking capacity and save time. These accessories allow you to prepare multiple items simultaneously, perfect for gatherings. Hang up to 12 legs or wings with the included leg racks. The Easy Load kebab holder securely holds 8 kebabs upright for delicious, evenly cooked results. Expand the capabilities of your Big Easy cooker. This kit is designed to enhance your outdoor cooking adventures and impress your guests. What we like. This accessory kit is perfect for expanding your cooking options. If you love to cook a variety of foods at once, you should consider this. If you want to maximize your cooking potential with your existing unit, this is a great choice. What people say. The Charbroil Big Easy is a great alternative to traditional deep frying, offering a healthier way to enjoy fried foods. It cooks food quickly and evenly, producing crispy results without the mess and oil of deep frying. The large capacity allows you to cook a whole chicken or turkey, making it perfect for family meals. Number 4. Charbroil the Big Easy Better Basket. Introducing an upgrade for your standard basket. This accessory is designed to enhance your existing oil-less turkey fryer. Loading and unloading food is now quick and simple thanks to its collapsible design. Spend less time prepping and more time enjoying your meal. When not in use, it collapses to just 1 inch tall. This makes it easy to store in cabinets or drawers, saving you valuable space. Crafted from premium 304SS, this basket is built to last and won't rust. You can rely on its quality for years to come. Cleanup is a breeze as it is completely dishwasher safe. Spend less time scrubbing and more time relaxing. What we like. This basket is an excellent upgrade for your existing fryer. If you are looking for a more convenient and durable way to cook, this is the one. Its compact storage makes it ideal for those with limited kitchen space. What people say. The Charbroil Big Easy is a great alternative to traditional deep frying, offering a healthier way to enjoy crispy foods without the oil. Its unique infrared cooking technology ensures even cooking and delicious results, mimicking the taste and texture of deep-fried food. The generous cooking capacity allows you to prepare meals for the whole family, making it a versatile addition to your outdoor cooking setup. Number 3. Charbroil the Big Easy TRU-Infrared Propane Fryer. Discover the revolutionary way to fry with the Big Easy. This propane-powered fryer offers a unique cooking experience. It's designed to handle large meals, capable of cooking whole turkeys, chicken, or roasts up to 16 pounds. Experience perfect results every time thanks to its TRU-Infrared cooking technology, ensuring even heat and eliminating flare-ups. Enjoy a safer frying experience with no hot oil. It starts up quickly and easily with a simple turn of a knob. Cleanup is a breeze with its convenient front access grease tray, making post-cooking maintenance simple. Powered by 16,000 BTUs from liquid propane, it provides reliable performance for all your cooking needs. What we like. Experience a new way to fry with this advanced cooker. If you want perfectly even heat and no messy flare-ups, this is for you. Its safer, oil-free operation makes it ideal for home cooks seeking convenience and peace of mind. What people say. The Charbroil Big Easy is a great alternative to traditional deep frying, offering a healthier way to enjoy fried foods without the oil. Its unique design allows for even cooking and crispy results, mimicking the taste and texture of deep-fried food. The large capacity basket can hold a good amount of food, making it suitable for family gatherings or entertaining guests. Number 2. Fig and leaf drip pans for charbroil grills. Keep your charbroil grill clean with these convenient drip pans. Designed specifically for many of their gas grill models, they ensure a mess-free grilling experience. Cleanup is a breeze with these disposable aluminum foil liners. Simply remove and replace after use, saving you time and effort. These pans are engineered for compatibility with Charbroil gas grills, including their signature and commercial series. They are the ideal replacement for your existing grease tray. Each tray measures 7 inches long, 3.5 inches wide, and 1.5 inches deep. This precise sizing ensures a snug fit in the designated grease pan model. Please note that these are designed for specific gas grill models and do not fit Big Easy, turkey fryers, griddles, charcoal, electric, portable, hybrid grills, or smokers. Crafted from durable aluminum foil, these liners are built to withstand the heat and catch grease effectively. Enjoy a cleaner grill with every use. What we like. These disposable pans are designed for specific grill models. If you own compatible Charbroil gas grills and are looking for an easy cleanup solution, these are a good option. They are great for quick disposal after cooking. What people say. The Charbroil Big Easy is a great alternative to traditional deep frying, offering a healthier way to enjoy fried foods without the mess and danger of hot oil. It cooks food quickly and evenly, producing crispy exteriors and juicy interiors. The large capacity allows you to cook a whole chicken or turkey, making it perfect for family gatherings. Number 1. Charbroil Aluminum Disposable Grill Drip Pans, 10-pack. Introducing our aluminum drip pans, designed to keep your grill clean and ready for your next cookout. They are made from durable aluminum, ensuring your grill stays in top condition. These pans measure 7 inches long, 3.5 inches wide, and 1.5 inches deep. They are perfectly sized to fit most standard grease trays, providing a convenient solution for grease management. Unlock versatile cooking possibilities with these pans. You can use them not only for grilling but also for baking bread, grilling vegetables, or even cooking shrimp. Each pack includes 10 disposable drip pans, ensuring you have plenty on hand for multiple uses. This generous quantity makes them a practical choice for any grill master. Say goodbye to tedious scrubbing. These disposable drip pans make cleaning up after grilling incredibly easy and fast. Simply remove and discard for a spotless grill. What we like. Keep your grill clean with these convenient drip pans. If you want a fast and easy way to manage grease, these disposable pans are a great choice. They can even be used for baking or grilling smaller items. What people say. The Charbroil Big Easy is a versatile appliance that can fry, roast, and even smoke foods. It heats up quickly and cooks food evenly, resulting in crispy skin and juicy meat. The oil-less design makes it healthier and easier to clean than traditional fryers. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.